The 8-step process for leading change. John Kotter introduced the 8-step process for leading change for transforming organizations. It's a top-down approach where the need for an approach to change originates at the top levels of the organization and then is promoted down the organization layers of management to the change recipients. And the 8 steps are: step number 1, create urgency. Identify potential threats and opportunities that drive the need for change. Step 2, form a powerful coalition. Identify the change leaders. Change leaders are not necessarily based on hierarchy. The change leaders should be influential people from a variety of roles, expertise, social, and political importance. Step 3, create a vision for change. Identify the values that are central to the change. Then create a brief vision statement that summarizes the change. Next, identify a strategy to realize the vision. Step 4, communicate the vision. Communicate the vision throughout the change process. Excuse me. Apply the vision throughout all aspects of the organization. Senior management and the change coalition should consistently communicate the vision and demonstrate the urgency and benefit of the change. Remove obstacles. All change comes with obstacles. Sometimes the obstacles are outdated processes, sometimes they are based on the organizational culture, and sometimes there are people resistant to change. Regardless, all obstacles need to be addressed. Step 6, create short-term wins. Identify quick and easy wins to build momentum and support for the change. Step 7, build on the change. Once the short-term wins are complete, the organization needs to set goals for continued improvement. Step 8, anchor the change in corporate culture. Ensure the change becomes ingrained into the culture. Continue to communicate the vision, tell success stories, recognize people in the organization who embody and empower the change, and continue to support the change coalition.